some people believe that the fittest and strongest individuals and teams always succeed in sports. Others think that success in sports depends on mental attitudes. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So, this is a discussion essay. First, we will write our introduction. Then, in first body paragraph, we will discuss the first view. In second body paragraph, second view. And in third body paragraph, our own opinion. Then, conclusion. So, first, look at the introduction. People are divided on the reasons for success in sports. Some individuals opine that only those who are physically fit succeed in sports. However, others believe that a positive mental attitude is required for succeeding in sports. Now look at the paraphrasing. In essay prompt, the word is fittest and strongest individuals. We have replaced this word with physically fit. And for mental attitude, we have added a word positive mental attitude. So look at the way of paraphrasing. And you can paraphrase with by using synonyms or topic related vocabulary words. Don't copy paste this exact statement as in the essay prompt. Now look at the first body paragraph. The main reason why some people say that fitness and strength is very important for success is that a player who is not physically fit cannot excel in sports. So, fitness and strength is also important for sports. Coaches and trainers make the players work out for hours every day so that players can build both strength and stamina and succeed in their respective sports. Now the other view. On the other hand, those who say that players can succeed with positive mental attitude and good game plan give the examples of players who have succeeded because of these virtues. And now examples: Sachin Tendulkar. He is short, but he's a famous cricketer. And Anil Kumble is one of the best bowlers. So you can give any example from your own country or any example you can give. Okay. Now, my opinion. Furthermore, there are many examples where players have reached pinnacles of sports career despite severe physical limitation. Example of a swimmer who is suffering from asthma, but he won 4 gold medals in Olympics. Okay, and Jeff, he had a cancer. He also won gold medals in wrestling in 1984. So look, ऐसे के लिए आपको जो है एग्जाम्पल्स भी पता होनी चाहिए. अगर आप अपनी कंट्री में से एग्जाम्पल दे रहे हैं तो आपको अगर पता ही नहीं होगा कोई स्पोर्ट्समैन का, अगर आपको इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है स्पोर्ट्स से रिलेटेड, देन हाउ वुड यू बी एबल टू राइट एग्जाम्पल्स. आपको अपने जैसे स्पोर्ट्स में अगर स्विमर है, कोई फेमस क्रिकेटर है, फुटबॉलर है, तो आपको उनकी पता होना चाहिए, थोड़ी बहुत इंफॉर्मेशन होनी चाहिए उनके बारे में कि आप उनके बारे में लिख सकें. एग्जैक्ट ये ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपने सन लिखना है या इतने गोल्ड मेडल्स इन्होंने जीते हैं, लेकिन थोड़ा बहुत आपको उनके बारे में पता होना चाहिए ताकि आप जो है वो एग्जाम्पल्स तो लिख सके ना अपनी कंट्री में से. एक कोई ये नहीं है कि आपको एग्जैक्ट बिल्कुल अच्छी तरह से सब कुछ पता होना चाहिए. युवराज सिंह, ही वॉज सफरिंग फ्रॉम लंग कैंसर, बट वो फिर टीम में वापस आए बिकॉज ऑफ हिज पॉजिटिव मेंटल एटीट्यूड. So to sum up, no doubt physical fitness and strength have a role, but mental attitude is also very important. A successful sportsman needs a combination of physical and mental power. So दोनों ही ज़रूरी हैं. Strength भी ज़रूरी है and positive mental attitude भी ज़रूरी है. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you have any questions, you can ask me in comments.